Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktail sauce at home. First, you'll want to gather your core ingredients: ketchup, prepared horseradish, and fresh lemon juice. These three components are the foundation of a classic cocktail sauce. Make sure your horseradish is fresh for the best kick, and a good quality ketchup will really make a difference in the overall flavor profile. Having a fresh lemon on hand is also key for that bright, zesty finish. Now, let's get to mixing. Start by combining 1 cup of your chosen ketchup with 2 tablespoons of prepared horseradish in a small bowl. Next, squeeze in about 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. This adds a crucial bright note that balances the richness. Remember, the beauty of homemade sauce is customization. Feel free to add more or less horseradish to achieve your perfect level of heat. Taste as you go to get it just right. To elevate your cocktail sauce even further, consider some optional additions. A dash of Worcestershire sauce can introduce a savory depth, adding another layer of complexity to the flavor. If you enjoy more heat, a small pinch of your favorite hot sauce will certainly do the trick. Once you've perfected your blend, cover the sauce and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully, resulting in a more cohesive and delicious sauce. Once your delicious homemade cocktail sauce is ready, proper storage is important to maintain its freshness. Keep it in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay good for up to 7 days. This makes it perfect for meal prepping or having on hand for impromptu seafood cravings. It pairs wonderfully with shrimp, oysters, and many other seafood dishes, truly enhancing their natural flavors. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.